Alright, so in this video, we are required to simplify 4x cubed minus 3 into bracket x cubed plus 3x. Now, to simplify this particular algebraic expression, all we need to do is to first open this bracket. So how do we do it? Let me scroll up. We can still write this to be what? 4x cubed minus, now we are going to be using minus 3 because the coefficient of 3 here is minus 1, or the whole of this term is minus 3. So you're going to be using to open this bracket. So minus 3 times x cubed will give us minus 3x cubed. Then minus 3 times plus 3. That is what? Minus 9. Then x is just the same, minus 3 times 3x. That will give us what? Minus what? 9x. All right. So now the next thing we need to do now is to simplify this. This is 4x cubed and this is 3x cubed. 4x cubed minus 3x cubed. That will give us what? 1x what cubed. Then minus what? 9x. Most of the time, 1x cubed is not written as 1x cubed. It's often written as what? S cubed. All right. So we can actually factor x out again, right? But this has been simplified, so we can still write this as s cubed, right, minus what? 9x. So another way we can do it is to factor what? X out. So if we factor x out, x can be written as what? X into brackets what? X squared minus what? 9. Okay, if you look at this, so x times x squared, x times x squared will give us x cubed. X times 9, that would be what? 9x. And somebody may like, wow, this is cool, but let me make something clear. We can still factor this again. How do we? Because the question still is to simplify. I've simplified it. Actually, the simplification ends here basically, but at this point, one can still factor this out. Now, you need to recall the concept of difference of two squares. Difference of what? Two what? Squares. So what does difference of two squares tell us? It tells us that if you have what? A square, right, minus what? B square. It is the same thing as A plus B into brackets what? A minus B. This is difference of two squares. But we have x squared minus 9. So I can take 9 to what? 3 raised to power 2. What I'm trying to say is I can write what? X squared minus 9 to be equal to what? That is what? X squared minus what? 3 squared. So x squared minus 3 squared will be equal to what? It has actually formed what I call difference of two squares because both of them are. So we can turn x squared minus 3 squared to give us what? X plus 3 into bracket x minus what? 3. So like I said earlier on, the simplified form of the question given to us ends here, but I'm just trying to factor it out, just an extension of the solution. So we can now write this x into bracket x squared minus 9, right, to be equal to what? X into bracket x plus 3 into bracket x minus what? 3. So this is another what? Simplified form of that particular what? Problem. So I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and ensure that you comment on this video to let us know how we are doing. I'll be looking forward to having your comment. See you in the next video. And please, if you want to support what we are doing, please kindly check my about page to see the information on how to contribute to what we are doing. See you in the next video. Thank you.